Hello students, in this video we will learn to insert shape in MS Word 2013. Microsoft Word provides various ready-made shapes that can be inserted in a document. The shapes featured in MS Word includes various types of lines, arrows, geometrical shapes, stars, banners, etc. To insert a shape, click on Insert tab. Select the Shapes button in the Illustrations group. A drop-down menu displaying various built-in shapes appears. Select a desired shape in the list. Here I am selecting star shape. Bring the pointer to the document area. Notice the pointer changes to a plus sign. Click and drag on the position where the shape is to be inserted. Once the desired shape is drawn, release the mouse button. Soon after inserting a shape in the document, observe a new tab named Format tab appears under the Drawing Tools Contextual tab on the ribbon. On the Format tab, Shape Styles, Shape Outline, Shape Fill, and Shape Effects options are used to apply various styles and effects to the shape. Let us try them one by one. Shape Outline. It will change the outline color of the shape. Shape Fill. It will change the internal color of the shape. Shape Effect. It will apply various effects to the shape. In this way, we can insert shapes in MS Word 2013. Thank you.